Alright guys, I guess I'm on a roll doing sprinkler videos today. So this section used to be lawn. Now it's blueberry bushes, tomatoes, all sorts of stuff. So I got a sprinkler head, boom, right here. And it's trying to water all that area, which is a big waste of water. So what I'm gonna do is adjust the left stop, be along lines of that. And so it'll just spray from here to here, and hopefully that extra or that less of a space it's not watering here will help this area get more water and not dry out like it has. So I'll show you right now. If you just twist the top, you can see it's going all the way to there. So that's no good. So inside the ground, you get this whole sprinkler body. This screws on to the riser or the arm or the funny pipe, whatever your manufacturer calls it. And then there's a cap up here that comes off the body. And so what we're doing here is the entire thing screws on to the water source. If you unscrew the whole thing, then the whole body will come up. You can adjust it that way. But the issue is when you screw this back on, it might not be adjusted correctly. So what you want to do is you want to hold this part and just unscrew the top. Now you might be lucky. On a bunch of my sprinklers, when I screw from the top, the body stayed in place and this just unscrewed. So what I first would do is just move some dirt around so you can grasp this top, and then watch this part, the rotor. If you start to unscrew it, you see this isn't moving, that means the body isn't moving. If the whole thing is moving, you know you're unscrewing it from the water source. So tighten it back up, and then you gotta dig enough so you can grasp the bottom while unscrewing the top. So let's see how this goes. You don't want the dirt to fall in. All right, so I'm gonna start. Ooh, yes, it's not moving, so that means I'm just getting the top off. See, when this happens, it's actually super easy. The other way is easy too, but you can lift the whole thing up. Now, carefully, without dropping dirt in, adjust where that left stop is and push down. Now, I did forget, before you do this, obviously, you want to turn the rotor all the way to the left. You might have to turn it to the right all the way and then the left to get it to the left stop. So that way you can see where to go. But then it's as simple as twisting this back on, and you can hear it clicking because that was causing it to rotate a little bit, but the left stop should still be there. Here, well, first let's get this down all the way. Boom. So now let's test it. I'm gonna move it all the way to the right. I think it is. Now move it all the way to the left. You see, it stops there, which is a little bit farther than I planned on, but that's okay. It's better to overlap than to not do enough because of the wind. So we're good to go. Now the thing is to remember to adjust the right stop, because now this will turn all the way over into my neighbor's driveway. To adjust that on the RainBirds, you spin all the way to the left stop, then you put a flathead screwdriver in here. There's a plus and a minus, and you just twist it whichever way you need to go, and you keep practicing twisting it left and right until you've got it. So that's how easy it is. It's really not hard at all. You get your hands a little bit dirty. The only tool you really need, at least for the RainBird ones, is a flathead screwdriver, and you're good to go. And I think I'm getting a sunburn. I was not anticipating this. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.